Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic studio microphones out there, a device that promises to elevate your audio game. Whether you're recording vocals, instruments, or recording music, this mic has been a favorite among professionals for decades. Without the need for complex setups, the c414 xlii feels incredibly solid in your hands. Retro-inspired design with a metallic finish and amber metal has that classic AKG cylindrical shape with a modern finish. Despite its premium look, it comes with a sturdy shock mount and a detachable pop filter for reducing performance sound quality. On the back, you'll find multiple polar captures audio and stunning 24-bit/192 kHz and omnidirectional, plus pad and high-pass filters, delivered clear, making it extremely versatile in any recording scenario. From solo podcasts to group discussions, the c414 xlii is known for its bright and forward versatility, especially in the recording vocals, instruments, or conducting interviews. Overall, it has a crisp high-end without sounding harsh and tight, controlled low-end and a user-friendly package. Overall, if you're serious about recording and want a microphone, make it a worthy investment for anyone serious about their sound. Thank you so much. Yes. It's an investment, but one that will last for years and work in virtually any recording scenario. Thank you so much.